Hey everybody, here's an updated video. I apologize for the delay, but as I stated in my comments, I'm very embarrassed to post it. But as you can see, this is all new nail growth down here at the bottom. Just from using Vicks, because it has thymol in it, and gold listerine. If you go back and look at the previous pictures from June, you'll see my nails were horrible. They look so much better than they did. I apologize for them being dirty. I do work a full-time job. But as you can see, the new nails are starting to grow. This one, I still been picking at it, but I need to stop. And in this one too, you can see the fungus is gone, and this is all new nail growth here at the bottom. Again, I'll post the before pictures from the June pictures, and there's a huge difference in how nice my nails look compared to what they used to look like. I haven't posted in a while because, like I said, I've been very embarrassed. I hate my nails looking the way they do. But when you see the difference from these nails compared to a few months back, there's a big difference. Thank you to all that been following me on this journey. I'll continue to post more updates more frequently. Again, I apologize for the delay, but as I stated, I've been real embarrassed about it, but I'm very happy to see that my nails are coming back. And that's it, guys. I'll keep you guys posted. Happy holidays to all of you. And I wish you guys all well. I'll see you guys soon. Have a great holiday, everybody.